Imagine walking down your street early in the morning and instead of a noisy cleaning truck, you see a sleek little robot quietly sweeping away dust, leaves, and rubbish all on its own. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, robo sweepers, autonomous street cleaning robots, are already rolling through the streets of some cities today. So, what exactly are robo sweepers? They're self driving machines designed to keep city streets clean without needing a human behind the wheel. Using cameras, sensors, GPS, and artificial intelligence, they can detect rubbish, avoid obstacles like cars or pedestrians, and adjust their cleaning style based on the surface. Think of them as a cross between a street cleaning truck and a giant outdoor Roomba. Their main job is simple, keeping streets tidy. They sweep up dust, leaves, and litter. Some spray water or sanitizer to reduce dust and improve hygiene. They collect debris into onboard bins, later emptied by staff. And unlike traditional sweepers that usually work only at set times, these robots can operate day and night. Some work quietly through the night when roads are clear, while others roam in daylight to keep streets looking fresh around the clock. Here's the exciting part. They're already on duty in several cities. In Guangzhou, China, fleets of robo sweepers are in daily use. In Singapore, they've been tested in housing estates and public areas. In Zhengzhou, robo sweepers cover entire districts. In Shenzhen and even parts of Dubai, trials are expanding. And to give you one standout fact, in Guangzhou, a single robo sweeper can clean over 1 million square feet of road surface on just one charge. One well-known example is WeRide's Robosweeper S1. It's a fully driverless electric sweeper designed for urban use, already being deployed in parts of China. Companies like Gaussian Robotics in Singapore are also building commercial cleaning robots, showing that this is no longer just a prototype, it's real commercial technology. So, how do they perform? Well, trials have shown that robo sweepers are remarkably consistent. They don't get tired, they use less water and energy, and they can detect rubbish with high accuracy. Reports suggest that some models can cover several kilometers of road on one charge while meeting strict city cleanliness standards. But this doesn't mean human workers disappear. Instead, sanitation teams can shift to safer, less repetitive tasks like machine supervision, repairs, or handling areas robots can't easily reach. That's a win for both efficiency and worker safety. If you're new to my channel, please check out my videos and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for your likes, shares, and subscriptions. Now, if there are dozens of these robots, how do they all work together? That's where fleet management comes in. A central AI system assigns cleaning routes, monitors performance, and tracks each robot's battery. When charge runs low, the robot automatically returns to its dock, recharges, and goes back out. This ensures maximum coverage and minimal downtime. Of course, they're not perfect yet. Rain, heavy snow, or fog can affect their sensors. Some cities still have regulatory hurdles for fully autonomous vehicles. And like any machine, they require regular servicing. So, while impressive, robo sweepers aren't a total replacement for humans, at least not yet. But the potential is huge. Imagine cleaner streets, less noise from diesel trucks, and safer jobs for sanitation workers. These robots could make cities healthier, more hygienic, and more pleasant to walk through. Robo sweepers are already here, and soon you might spot one humming along your street, quietly sweeping away yesterday's mess. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in another exciting one soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.